63 cubic inch Ford motor here. It's going into an F100, 500 horsepower. This thing's going to be a beast. As always here at Proformance Unlimited, we use quality components. This is a dark block, AFR heads, Edelbrock intake, Sniper, Hyper Spark on here, tuned to perfection. It's going in that F100. That thing's going to be crazy. If you have any questions about our fantastic builds, our quality builds, do not hesitate to give us a call and we will quote you something that's going to go into your wild ride. 1-800-267-3940. Beautiful oil pressure, air fuels are nice.